Your main job is to focus on the marketing of your online business. When running an online business, it is strongly advised that 80% of your time should be spent on marketing and promotion. That is why you must find ways to automate the sales process. Your online business system should be selling while you drive more potential customers to it. After people give you their name and email address, you need to have a system in place to deliver a series of emails that are designed to build a relationship, remind them to take action, and offer additional products for them to buy. This facility is called the autoresponder, mentioned before, that you will find inside your GetResponse account. An email autoresponder will sell for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. An autoresponder is an online service where you pay a monthly or annual fee. It will allow you to create a series of emails which are pre-written and will be delivered, at preset intervals, in the days, weeks and months that follows them subscribing to your email list. Your account will also provide a facility to create the sign-up form to collect the email and names. In most cases, a person needs to be offered a product between 3 and 7 times before they will buy online. The autoresponder will send product information on a regular basis without your involvement, and will explain the benefits to your prospect when they buy your product or service. Each time they see your offer, it should be supported by further proof of your skills and expertise in the form of useful information. Each email that you set up gives you an opportunity to offer more free advice. Don't simply send sales messages. Reinforce your authority and expertise in the mind of the reader. You need to maintain a delicate balance between giving and asking for the sale. There is no problem asking them to buy, so long as the proposition does not look too one-sided in your favor. If you imagine that you are dealing with your best friend, your brother or sister, or even a close relative, you would immediately know how to act with them. This is how to treat the people on your list. You would show empathy and caring. You would ensure that whatever you are offering would be of the highest value to them. Maintaining consistent, honest contact with your prospects is vital if you wish to develop a relationship with them. Remember, you will probably never meet these customers, so your only way of building trust is by regular communication. Here are your recommended action steps. Log into your GetResponse account that you created before. Check out the training videos on how to set up autoresponders. If you have not already, open a free GetResponse trial account and review the autoresponder help text and training videos. Try setting up a few autoresponder messages to test the system.